Okay, this one still kind of blows my mind every time. You type a description of a video, just words, a sentence or two, and an AI generates an actual moving video clip for you with motion, with lighting, even with sound. No camera, no actors, no editing software, no film crew, just a prompt. So today I'm going to show you how to generate AI videos from a single prompt using Runable, which is one of the best AI video generators available right now, and it's genuinely easier than you'd think. There's a link in the description if you want to create your account and try this yourself. So let's dive in. Go to runnable.com, sign in, and on the home dashboard, open the artifact picker and select Generate Videos. Before you type your prompt, you get a few quick settings. The main one is aspect ratio. This matters a lot depending on where your video is going. Choose 9:16 for vertical stuff like Instagram Reels, TikTok, and Stories, or 16:9 for a widescreen landscape look on a website or YouTube. You've also got an audio toggle. Leave it on if you want the AI to generate sound, or turn it off if you're planning to add your own music later. And as a bonus, muted videos use half the credits. Now here's the real key to getting a great video, and this is the part most people get wrong. You have to write your prompt like director's notes, not just a keyword. Describe three things: the scene, so what the camera actually sees, the motion, so what's moving and how the camera moves, and the style, so the overall mood and look. For example, instead of just typing coffee, you'd write something like, create a 10-second video, close-up of a golden flaky croissant on a rustic wooden board with powdered sugar. Warm morning light from the left, the croissant slowly breaks apart to reveal chocolate filling, blurred cozy cafe in the background, 9:16 for Instagram, with soft cafe ambiance sound. Feel the difference? You're painting the whole shot with words. Once you send it, the agent gets to work. Generating video takes a little longer than an image, so you'll see a placeholder while it processes, usually anywhere from 30 seconds to a few minutes, depending on the length and quality. And nice detail here, Runable actually picks the best AI video model for your specific request automatically, so you don't have to know anything about which engine to use. When it's done, your clip appears on the canvas, and you just click to play it. And if it's not quite right, you don't start over from scratch, you just talk to it. Ask the agent to change the style, adjust the mood, or regenerate with a tweaked description. And every version it makes is saved separately on the canvas, so your originals are never lost. When you're happy, you click the video and hit download, and it saves as a standard MP4 file you can post anywhere. So that's the whole thing. You pick generate videos, you set your aspect ratio, you write your prompt like a little director, and in a few minutes you've got a real video clip made from nothing but a sentence. If this opened your eyes a little to what's possible, and I really hope it did, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials just like this one, and I'll see you in the next video.